Good morning children. Namaste. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Your Sunita teacher is back again. Children, since very long you all have been listening to your teachers and doing a lot of activities, isn't it? Today let us learn to write. Okay? Children, let me ask you something. You all have learned alphabet letters A to Z in LKG? Yes, I'm right. So you know how to write A to Z, capital A to Z and small a to Z. Today let us learn how to write capital A and small a together like that, all the letters till capital Z and small z. Here you need to observe me how I am writing within the lines neatly with the finger space. Do you know what is finger space? When you write each letter, you need to give some gap. So you all don't know how to give the gap. First we'll learn how to give the gap with the finger. That is, with your left hand point finger, you have to give the space between two letters. Understood children? So let us start. Are you excited? First, you need to practice these letters. How I am showing, you need to practice them in a old notebook. Okay children, old notebook, that too 4-ruled book, not any other book. Okay, understood? You need to follow and practice in the 4-ruled notebook. Once you are perfect in writing neatly within the lines with the finger space, then you can copy in a new book. Okay, new book. This is your new book. This is the first page of the book. Here you need to write how I am showing. Okay children, neatly. Once you are perfect, after you write in your old notebook, once you are perfect, then only you are going to write in this new book. Okay, I am showing you the book. In the book, you can see the margin. This is called margin. This is called margin. And this is for heading. This column is for heading. Can you see this small box? This is for date. Date means the day on which day you are writing. That date you are going to write in this box. Suppose it is September 3rd or 4th. Any date. I am just telling example. You need to write the date, dot, then the month, number of that month. Okay, that is 8 or 9. Suppose August means 8th month, September is 9th month. 9, then year 2020. You have to write the date in the box. Here the parents can help the child to write the date. Okay children. Then next, whatever heading we need to write here in this column touching this pink line. Understood children? Dear parents, I think you have purchased books for your child. If you have purchased the books, this book is available in the book set. And keep this book for English classwork. I request parents to guide the child to write neatly within the lines with the finger space as instructed. Once he is writing perfectly and well, you can guide him to write in this new book. As well as you can, in the same book set, you can see book 1, literacy, book 1, my best friend literacy book 1. In this, you need to make your child practice the page numbers from 5. This is for reading. 6, reading. 7, reading. Then 8 also is for reading. Then you can make your child write the page numbers 12 and 13. 12 is to write for capital A to Z. 13 for small a to Z. And in the practice book, literacy practice book 1. Make your child write the page number 3 and 4. That is, the child can identify the picture and write the letter, first letter of the picture. Okay parents, I think you understood. You will make your child do this in your guidance. Children, if you are ready, let us start writing capital A, small a to capital Z, small z. As I have shown you in the notebook, this is margin as I have shown. This is for heading. And you have 4 lines, that is 4 rows. That's 2 pink lines and 2 blue lines in between 2 pink lines. That is 4 lines. Okay children, understood? Now let us start. Here I told you to write the date with the help of your parent. You can ask your parent the date and month, then you can write here. Here in the column of heading, you have to write capital A. It till space you give, that is finger space. I told finger space you will use with your pointer finger. Put your finger after the margin line. Capital A, small a, hyphen, capital Z, small z. Once you finish writing the heading capital A to Z, start children. First letter A. A says A. Now how to write the A I am going to show. You are going to follow me. Pink line to the second blue line, slant line. Pink line to the second blue line, slant line. Again from right slant. Next left slant, pink line to blue line. And then horizontal line and the first blue line. Okay children, this is capital A. Yes. Now we will write the small a. Near the capital A only, no finger space. Here you are not going to give any finger space because the both are same, only capital and small. So now write left curve, take it up, bring down, vertical line. Left curve, go up and bring it down like a vertical line. Capital A, small a. When you are writing, you can say the words also, like A for 3, 4, 5. How many you can say. A says A, and you have to say the phonic sound also. Okay children. Now you need to use your pointer finger to give the finger space. Yes. So put your pointer finger here next to small a. Then write the capital B. Immediately after the finger you have to write from pink line to blue line, vertical line. Then pink line to blue line, right curve. Again in the blue lines, right curve. It becomes capital B. Now what we have to write? Small b. What you have to write? Small b. Now no need of giving finger space. Standing line from pink line to blue line. Here the right curve should start from blue line and again end at the blue line. 2 blue lines. Small b. B says B. B says B. B for like this you can go on 10. Now again finger space. Right. What comes next? Yes, C. C, left curve. Pink line to second blue line. Capital C. Next, small c. Now, after C, which letter? Yes, D. D says D. Now again, give the finger space after small d, small c. Write the capital D. After your finger, you are going to write. Okay, children? Vertical line from pink line to blue line. Second blue line, that is. Then right curve from pink line to blue line. These two are first blue line, second blue line. Okay, children? Now next. Yes, small d. Now how you will write? give some gap, because here left small d has left curve. So you have to give little gap and write vertical line from pink line to blue line. Then left curve. Okay children? Done. And D for you repeat. Okay children? Now comes next. Next. E. Now what letter comes next? Yes children. E. E says eh. And E for you can tell 3 or 4 words. Now let us write. Immediately next to the margin, the next 4 lines, we are going to start from E. Pink line to second blue line, vertical line, 3 horizontal lines. That is 1 on the first pink line, second horizontal on the first blue line, and the third horizontal line on the second blue line. Now, small e. Small e, how you will write? In between 2 blue lines, you have to put a horizontal line and then left curve. Small e. Now, finger space. What comes next? F. F says, children, write the letter now. Finger space, vertical line, 2 horizontal lines. That is, first one on the pink line, second one on the first blue line. Okay, children? Now what you write? Small f. Small f. Hum and bring down till the second blue line. That is small f. And a horizontal line, that means you're cutting that vertical line, like that you have to put the horizontal line. Understood? Next comes G. G says G. And now after F, again put the finger, give the finger space, left curve, go up, horizontal line, left curve from pink line to blue line, go up, horizontal line on the blue line, first blue line, vertical line, capital G. And now small g. Left curve in the 2 blue lines, then come down, vertical line, and turn like a sprinkle. Small g. But see, all the letters are within the blue lines or on the pink line, first pink line. But here, this G is hanging down. So it is called hanging letter. Next comes H. Again finger space. Vertical line from pink line to blue line. One more, but giving some gap. One more vertical line from pink line to blue line. Then join these 2 vertical lines on the first blue line with a horizontal line. That is H. H says H. And the small h. Vertical line from pink line to blue line. Hum cow in between 2 blue lines. Capital H, small h. After H, what letter comes? Yes, I. Again we are using one more new line. 4 lines. We'll start the letter I from here. That is immediately after the margin line. Capital I from pink line to second blue line, vertical line. On the pink line, horizontal line. On the blue line, again horizontal line. Capital I. Then the small I within the blue lines, vertical line, and a dot on the pink line. I says E. Okay, now next comes J. Now here you have to give the finger space. When you start on the margin, no need to give the finger space. Once you have finished writing the letter, next you have to give the finger space. Now put the finger. Next comes J. J says J. Vertical line, take curve up the dot on the first pink line. This is also what it is doing? Hanging. J says J. Now next comes K. Give the finger space. Pink line to blue line, vertical line. Slant line, right slant down. Now again one more slant line. K. Now small k. Here again vertical line from pink line to blue line. You need to write in between the blue lines only. Small k. K says K. Now next comes L. Put the finger space. Capital L. Vertical line from pink line to blue line. Horizontal line on the blue line. Pink line to blue line. Horizontal line on the blue line. Capital L. Now small l from pink line to blue line. Vertical line. L says L. Next comes M. M says M. Now M from blue line, third blue line. Vertical line go up. Bring down slant. Left slant. Right slant. Vertical line. Capital M. Now small m. Vertical line within the blue lines. Hump, go up, back, hump curve, hump curve. Children, I am not lifting my chalk. That means you should not lift your pencil. Capital M, small m. Now comes N. N says N. Now capital N, small n. How? Vertical line, left slant and go up. Vertical line. Vertical line, slant line, vertical line. Next, small n. Vertical line, hump curve. Now next comes O. O says O. In the finger space. Capital O like a circle, round. Pink line to second blue. And small o within the two blue lines. Okay children. Next comes P. Capital P. Finger space. Vertical line from pink line to blue line. Right curve from the first pink line to the first blue line. In between the first pink line and blue line. Now this small p is also hanging. How you will hang? Now small p. Vertical line. Next. Vertical line from blue line to pink line. Right curve within the two blue lines. P says P. Next comes Q. How you will write Q children? Circle, yes, from pink line to blue line. A circle. Then blue line to blue line. Left slant, capital Q. Small q. Left curve. Go up. Bring down vertical line. And small slant going up. Seeing up. That is small q. Q says Qua. Q says Qua. Next comes R. Finger space. Vertical line. Right curve and left slant. Right curve in between pink and blue line. Left slant in between two blue lines. Now comes small r. Vertical line from blue line to two blue lines. Vertical line in between two blue lines and go up. Like a curve. Half curve. See? Go up. This is small r. Next comes S. Capital S. That is left curve in between pink and blue line and right curve in between two capital S and small s. Same, but in between two lines only you need to write, and you should not lift your pencil. Curve, left curve and right curve. Small s. S says S. Next comes T. T says T. Put the finger. Vertical line from pink line to second blue line. And on the top, on the pink line, horizontal line. And next, small t, vertical line, horizontal line. Vertical line from pink line to blue line, horizontal on the blue line. And one more horizontal on the first blue line. Small t, t says T. Now what comes, children? U, U says A. Capital U, that is wing curve. Pink line to pink line, you should not lift pink line to blue, third blue line you should go up again touch the first pink line, that is wing. And small u same as a capital but within blue lines. Don't lift the pencil and bring down a vertical line like this. Understood? Small u. Now put the finger. What comes next? Capital V. Down slant. Don't lift your pencil. Go up again and touch the pink line. Capital V. Now small v within the blue lines. V says V. V says V. Now what comes? U, V. W. Children, W, you should not lift your pencil. Down slant, go up, down slant, go up. Capital W. In the same way, small w within the blue lines. W says W. W says W. U, V, W over next. X. X. Left slant from pink line to blue line. And right slant crossing the left slant. That is from pink line to blue line. You need to cross. That is X. Now small x within the two blue lines. X is X. Now comes Y. Y left slant from pink line to blue line. Then right slant from pink line to second blue line. Capital Y. Now the same way, small y, you have to start from the blue lines. Slant line. Then right slant from blue line to pink line. Y says Y. Now what comes next? Z. The last letter of a alphabet. Now, finger space you need to give after Y. Horizontal line on the pink line. You should not lift the pencil, children. Horizontal line. Slant line, right slant till the blue line. And on the second blue line again, horizontal line. Capital Z. Now in the same way, within the blue lines, two blue lines, you have to write the small z. Horizontal line, slant line, horizontal line. That's a small z. Z says Z. Now you have finished writing A to Z, all the letters of alphabet. Children, hope you understood how to write the letters neatly within the lines with the finger space. You need to practice writing twice daily till we get to learn something new. See you children. Bye bye.